As a marketeer, I have access to the Marketing Intelligence app, which is built on the Salesforce Data 360 platform. Here on the main homepage, I can see all of my key metrics, an understanding of both paid and owned channels of all my campaigns running, and to look at the performance. So what was my total marketing spend, my revenue, what was my overarching ROI? We're able to break down by channel, by total revenue, also by total spend. Further down this view, we can see about my top performing, my lowest performing campaigns, my revenue in terms of ROI, return on advertising spend, my click-through rates, cost per acquisition, cost per click. Again, a wealth of performance metrics consolidated into a single view. In addition, across the top navigation, again, the marketeer has access to a wide range of different dashboarding, analytics, and reporting. Here, we can determine marketing goals. So these are specific goals that marketing must meet in terms of page view metrics, cumulative revenue metrics, time on website, conversion, impressions, cost per click. So here again, we can see the wealth of analytics and data being presented in a meaningful way back to the business user or the marketeer. We can also look at specific performance overview of a specific channel or a specific campaign. Again, breaking down the metrics at that channel or even at that campaign level. Again, we can see here the wealth of information and data available. We can see here the channel analysis. We've also got attribution reporting as well. And then finally is our segment intelligence. So understanding the impact that our audience segmentation has had on ROI in terms of revenue creation and engagement. Again, all these reports are fully configurable, and you're able to break down at a specific segment, by specific campaign, by specific channel. Again, to understand the performance of those specific campaigns. So we can see here on my bar chart on this very last one, obviously this specific segment has not really resulted in any ROI. So I would perhaps do some forensic analysis to understand why that is happening. And then finally, we have embedded agentic capabilities within the Marketing Intelligence platform. And we can see that within the blue box in the top left-hand corner, giving us a summary of overarching summary of performance. But ultimately, what I can do as a business user is hit this optimize option. And this is now using Salesforce Agentforce. Again, this is the Paid Media Optimisation Engine. Looking at all of my marketing activities across my different category types. So in my example here, I'm going to select number 9, which is engagement. And what the agent is now doing is it's interrogating all of those back-end data sources to identify what are the lowest performing paid media activities for engagement in my example here. And from right within the agent, the marketer can simply stop, pause those ads, and redirect marketing funds over to other initiatives that is resulting in engagement, in conversion, in purchases, whatever that may be. So we can see here the agent has returned about 45 ads on Google, 12 ads on Meta, and 1 ad on Google Campaign Manager, because the click-through rate was lower than 1.83 and the cost per click was greater than 1.18. Now, you can modify these thresholds because obviously these will change from customer to customer. So actually what I can do here, we can see the recommendation from within the agent to simply pause all low performing ads. And all of this is done in a centralized manner through the Marketing Intelligence app on the Data 360 platform. Thank you.